Might be a little bit tougher, but make sure you can see this. So we'll go. I'm going to draw a triangle.
Long.
And it's going to look a little bit interesting.
Long. Ships.
So what were they? They were
Fast as long ships.
fast. What?
Fast as long ships.
Alright.
They were.
This is still a triangle.
Oh, they were.
Do you see the
quick
triangle?
as
Yes.
fast
As
Right here.
as,
Wait, don't erase it. Alright.
fast
So-
ship.
I know that this angle A
Fast.
and this angle B, and if I have another angle C, I know that A plus B plus C equals what?
They're fast as flash.
180 degrees. Good. I know that this angle from here to here,
Ship.
over here,
What kind of ship?
is equal to what?
I don't know. 90 degrees?
From here all the way to here.
180 degrees.
180 degrees. Okay, so check this out. See this angle right
Ship
here
in a
and this
long
angle right
ship.
here?
Yes.
Alright, let's see.
A long ship.
If I told you that this angle was 60 degrees, alright? If I told you angle C was 60 degrees, what could you tell me about A and B? Or let's make it 50 degrees. If I told you that's 50 degrees, what could you tell me about A and B?
They have to add up to 130.
Good, good. They have to add up to 130 because A plus B plus C is equal to 180. So if C was 50, then A plus B has to be the rest of it, right? It has to be the other part of it so that when you add them all together, they make 180. Does that make sense? So would you agree with me in saying that this angle right here, from here to here, this angle right here, is 130 degrees. Well, think about it. If this is 180 degrees and this is 50, then the rest of it is what? 130. Or A plus B. Does that make sense? So if I have a triangle and this is called the this is the opposite exterior angle, or this is the opposite interior angles. Interior means, what does interior mean to you? Versus exterior.
The exterior means outside.
Outside, and interior means
Inside.
inside. So these are the inside angles that are opposite from the angle that we're interested in, the 50. And so those ones added to 130. Or in this case, we know that this angle right here is equal to A plus B.
Yep.
And one way we write this down is when we're writing angles, I think oftentimes we use when we're writing angles, oftentimes we use little letters, and then when we talk about the points that this thing is at, we're talking about big capital letters. So what we usually say is angle B, C, D. So follow your line. Follow with your finger from B to C to D. B, C, D. So which angle are we talking about? This one right here. That angle. Okay. Okay, move back so you can see. Okay. Angle BCD is equal to angle A, that angle, plus B. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Cool. All right. So let's see. Let's make another one. Let's try this.
What's there? What's there? What's there?
Hey, stop yelling.
What's there?
I don't know, baby.
All right. X, Y, Z, P. I drew this a little bit funky, but I'm just going to put down some numbers. Ready? This is, oh wait. This is Y and this is Z. Z. Right. So this they said is 34 degrees, and this they said is 50 degrees. What is this angle? What is angle X, Z, D?
You're the good guys,
Look at the problem. Angle XZD is talking about this angle right here. Okay? We know that that is equal to 80 plus, or not 80, 50 plus
34,
34,
which is
84. Now I know I didn't draw this so it looks like 84. Technically I should have drawn it like this. Because that's about 84 degrees over here.
Come back.
Yeah.
Actually, maybe drawing it a little bit even less like this.
What is this word? It's a very easy word.
So that almost looks like 90, but it's 84 degrees. See what I'm saying?
Come back.
This angle right here
What
is
is that?
this angle plus that angle. And that's how you get it. You cool?
Wait.
Come back.
Alright, here, I got another challenge for you.
Mom. With
What if I have this?
Okay, my phone. My phone's right here.
Okay, what if I have
Oh.
this?
Yeah, it's right here.
Oh, here.
that
This is
flat?
43. This is 90.
I want that flat
What is angle
right
A,
here.
B, C? What is angle A, or no, B, C, D? So, first you need to do, show me, point to angle B, C, D. So, which one is it? If you want to draw it, well, right, but when we talk about an angle, we do this little bumpy thing. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Right, angle BCD, what is that equal to?
With
So it's equal to
flag.
So what was
That one?
here?
Yeah?
and C.
Flag.
No? That's equal to
B and
What is this?
43 plus
No, what is this?
90.
90,
I don't know.
which is what? 313?
Yep.
133? Good. Alright. Let's try this one. It's a little bit harder. If I told you that this is 110 degrees over here, and I told you that this is 50 degrees over here, what is this angle right here?
You'd have to minus this, and that. You have to. Okay, wait.
Okay, go. You figure it out. 110.
Add each other up. This. Then you will minus
So what the
this
axes look like?
by
Are they dull and cold? They were shiny, right? So what are they doing? It's in the light. Yeah,
That would
flash.
be-
You can see the light.
And his
No. I know that in order to get this angle right here, I have to add up this plus that,
tail.
right?
Yeah.
So let's use this as an x.
Helmet.
That's all I know.
helmet,
So I know that 50
did
plus x is equal to 110. This plus that gives me the angle outside. Does that make sense?
climb,
Okay. So in order to get x all by itself,
Flashed. See when you hit metal with
what is x?
axis,
Mommy.
X equals 110 minus 50. What is 110 minus 50?
I said
The
this.
helmets were tiny
50.
off of each other.
60.
Turning
60.
real hard. You know,
So this angle is 60. You see it?
Was
All right, good.